Hello and welcome to Unit 4.1, Energy for Life, in our class about cells. My name is Lauren Davis. I'm one of the instructors for this class. So energy is just simply defined as the ability of something to do work. All living things are in constant use and constant need of energy. Plants and animals alike need energy in order to survive. The difference is plants and algae and some bacteria will make their own energy, and animals and other consumers will eat other things in order to get their energy that they need in order to carry out all the life processes. So the two main groups are classified by how they obtain energy. The first group being autotrophs. Autotroph is simply an organism that makes its own food. Okay, photosynthesis, the process they use to make their own food. We don't make our own food. Plants do though, and so does the algae that's in the oceans. And some bacteria also have chlorophyll and they can make their own food as well. So plants, algae, some bacteria are autotrophs. They're also called producers. Autotrophs produce their own foods for themselves and for other organisms. Heterotrophs are organisms that cannot make their own food, and so they are consumers. They have to consume other organisms to get the energy that they need in order to carry out the life processes. So what you see here is a glucose molecule. It has 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen, and 6 atoms of oxygen. It's a simple carbohydrate, and it stores energy in a stable form. Glucose is used by our cells in order to make energy for us. ATP is the energy units. It's the molecules it stores and releases energy, and it's phosphate groups. So cellular respiration is the chemical reaction that produces ATP, or the energy that we need in order to survive and to carry out life processes to build new cells. That energy unit, ATP, is produced by the breakdown of glucose. So this first chemical reaction that you see is glucose plus 6 oxygen molecules will combine and will release carbon dioxide that we breathe out as far as our respiration, and some water and some energy, and that energy is what we use. So our cells go through respiration, plant cells go through respiration, and cellular respiration is in all organisms. Photosynthesis is the process whereby light energy is changed into chemical energy, and then the product at the end is a glucose molecule. And so glucose comes from this photosynthesis process. You can see here the chemical equation is 6 carbon dioxide molecules and 6 water molecules are combined with the light energy, mostly from the sun, and it creates a glucose and some oxygen.